What are we doing?
I don't know. I'm so tired. Things did not go quite as planned on the packing front, but we're here.
Packing until 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Storage unit again this morning at 6 a.m.
In about 16 hours, we're going to be on the subway in Tokyo. With how many people a day? 9 million? I don't know. We'll figure it out. And today we found some fish by a bridge. It's Carpe Diem, seize the fish. Carpe Diem? Well,
Like a mini Eiffel Tower.
that's what they said.
Who said?
People said.
People said. Dave, what have you done?
We've bought the most Japanese food we could find.
A German pretzel from a German beer hut.
Kind of Japanese.
Well, you know, it's a German pretzel, Japanese style.
They told us to embrace everything here, so we're embracing the pretzel.
The pretzel, and hoping that one of these ravens doesn't come and snatch it right out of our hands.